set, go! Some people look like they've done this, and then remember, the actual accoutrement has to be on. You do want these on. The dress must be worn. You can't have it wrapped around your shoulders. We want the dress on you. If you have it around your shoulders, that's not going to work. Make sure the dress is on fully. Look at, she looks hot, actually. Go, girl, go! Yeah! I think we have a winner. You guys all look really good, but you cannot keep the bra on. Just forward quick. It fits you too, that's a shame.